Today I am reviewing the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill TOA-70NAS is a premium 8-in-1 countertop appliance that combines the power and versatility of an air fryer with the convenience of a toaster oven and grill. Designed for home cooks who want to save time, maximize kitchen space, and enjoy healthier meals, this all-in-one appliance offers everything you need to air fry, bake, broil, grill, toast, and warm your favorite dishes with exceptional results. One of the standout features of this Cuisinart oven is its versatile cooking functions. With 8 different settings: air fry, toast, convection bake, convection broil, grill, and warm, you can easily prepare anything from crispy chicken wings to freshly baked pizzas or golden brown toast. Whether you're preparing a quick snack, a hearty meal, or experimenting with gourmet recipes, the TOA-70NAS has the flexibility to meet all your cooking needs. The large capacity of this air fryer toaster oven makes it a perfect choice for families or anyone who entertains often. You can easily toast 6 slices of bread at once, air fry up to 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken. The spacious interior allows you to cook multiple items simultaneously, saving time and energy in the kitchen. When it comes to performance, the Cuisinart TOA-70NAS delivers fast, crispy, and flavorful results. The AirAdvantage technology, featuring a top fan and heater assembly, optimizes hot airflow to ensure even cooking and perfectly crispy textures. Whether you are air frying chicken, grilling vegetables, or broiling a steak, this oven locks in flavor while reducing the need for excessive oil, making your meals healthier without compromising taste. The user-friendly controls make it easy to achieve consistent results every time. The oven features an adjustable temperature dial, a 60-minute timer with auto-shutoff, and a toast shade selector. With a wide temperature range from warm up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can precisely control how your meals are cooked, from lightly toasted bread to perfectly roasted meats. Cleanup is effortless with the included accessories and thoughtful design. The TOA-70NAS comes with an oven rack, baking pan/drip tray, air fry basket, and a ceramic non-stick reversible grill/griddle. The stainless steel interior is easy to wipe clean, and all removable components are designed to simplify maintenance, ensuring your oven stays in pristine condition for years. Overall, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven TOA-70NAS is an all-in-one powerhouse for modern kitchens. Its combination of versatility, performance, and ease of use makes it perfect for busy families, home cooks, and anyone looking to enjoy crispy, flavorful, and healthy meals without cluttering their kitchen with multiple appliances. From quick weeknight dinners to weekend cooking experiments, this oven delivers professional quality results every time, making it a must-have addition to any kitchen.